Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Carolyn and I'm your dream bag lady. In today's video, we're going to be doing another unboxing. Look at that huge bag. Guess what it is? It's pretty big. Let's see what we have in the bag here. Ribbons. They didn't tie the ribbons this time. From the shape of it, it's probably, yes, you're right, it's the Neverfull. Look at that. So LV have 3 color in this. On the website it has blue, Mist, which is this one. This is the Mist, and pink, I believe. It's actually called the broom color. So this bag, receipt. This is the smaller wristlet. Quite handy with the gold hardware there. So this is the MM size with the interior pocket. I love this nude color, pastel. Still a pop of color, perfect for the summer. And then this is what I like about this bag. It has this charm that you can hang on the bag. Usually it's hung on either strap or handle. Normally they don't make this on all of the Neverfull, but this is a special limited edition. It's beautiful. Very spacious. Inside have another huge pocket you can use. Great tote bag, grocery bag, diaper bag. Very roomy. And it's one of the few popular sizes that LV has. There you have it. There it is. It's a great size. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope that you loved the unboxing and you enjoyed it. If you have a specific questions, let me know. I'm also on Instagram under the same title, Dream Bag Lady, and I can answer there very quickly, or you can leave me a message underneath. Glad you were here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you at the next unboxing. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.